welcome back to the RC bar. Now, you guys know I usually don't do a middle of the week or a video or whatever, but I thought that this was really important to get out to you guys on something that just happened to me. Now, I was out at the airfield last Sunday, and I was getting the Cougar ready to fly, as you can see here, right? Okay. And I'm like, well, I got to charge the battery because it's been a couple weeks since I flew it. And so I plugged it into the charger on the trailer and stuff, and I hit start and I walked away from it. And I went and did some other stuff like I usually do. And I kind of thought about it, and this was probably about an hour later. I'm like, that battery's probably done charging on the Cougar. And I walked into the trailer and I'm like, it's still charging. Like, holy cow. Like, I didn't fly it that much the last time I charged this thing up. And so I stopped it, and I could smell it, and then I felt the side of the fuselage where the battery laid at, and it was flipping hot. Check this out. This is what I pulled out of there. Now that wrapper right there used to go all the way around the battery. And that thing, it got flipping hot. I mean, to heat up the side of a fuselage that's got a doubler on it. And this battery, I know they're nickel metal, and I'm not gonna get away from it. You can see the name brand there. I got those from Tower Hobbies, 5 years ago. I got two of them. The other one's already in the garbage. Usually I get 6-7 years out of my nickel metal hydride batteries, and these have just been. Not the Onyx brand is really gone to the toilet. I now get my batteries, and this is not a sales. This is a public service to make sure that you guys are checking your batteries in your planes and make sure that you're charging properly. These were always charged at like 1.2 amps on and pretty well taken care of. I would say they were never frozen or hot. Kept in a well climate controlled place. I charged them on the wall charger 3 times a year, and most of the time they got charged on my quick field charger. So I get my batteries now from Radical RC. They put a date on them so they're easy to identify as to how old they are, and they also seem to have a pretty long longevity. So make sure that could have killed that Cougar right now. So anyways, I hope you guys are checking your batteries and having good flying season so far. We'll see you on the next week's episode. Should be the Flybaby.